but he has done so well in army. Without going far, we have got our friend Bharat Sen, who has gone through a bad business in his life, but not leaving faith, not leaving determination and progress. He is now a name in his service, in his profession, wherein he is carrying out so many other things also. I'll not say he's helping people, but he's connecting with the people. He's connecting with those with whom he sees as capability, as his determination, as the right kind of hard work to achieve something. When we talk about our aim should be a successful man. To aspire, to achieve what we aspire. But does that achieving these things which we aspire, our aim compels to that? क्या हम सिर्फ अपने एम को अचीव करके ही रुक जाएंगे? और it encompasses so many other factors. We want to be a successful engineer, one. We want to be a successful officer, two. We want to be a successful scientist, three. Is it our aim? Is it our aim? Yeah, friends. Should it be our aim? Good engineers. Aspiring to be engineers and then, place and set up like here, you can look after so many other things. But so many other things which are concerning to your own personal things. But does that mean we have achieved our aim?
No.
There's a saying, who left? If India dies. And who dies? If India left. As a nation, we have some responsibility also. We always ask at what government is doing first. The better question we should ask what we are doing for the government or what we are doing for the country. A very small example. We all move in the road, eating something and just throw the apples. I'm telling you a very small example. Nothing higher than family. How many of us have that courage? When I say courage doesn't include physical courage. Courage is a mental courage. How many of us we have mental courage to go and pick that banana, to find it? To tell somebody, please do not do this. Please do not do this. We are here to aspire as a good human being. As an army, we always say, officer is always known as a gentleman. I'm a gentleman first, before I am here, officer. Why so? Because we didn't talk how to behave. I mean, as a person, I have no problems, no different complex if somebody is doing something and we don't. And I'm telling it, after that I'm telling him, please don't do this. That is what we require to aspire, to be a good human being, which encompasses everything. We want to be successful in our own respective professions. Definitely, we should be. Unless it is, मैं अच्छा नहीं होगा तो मैं किसको देखूंगा? कहते हैं तो आदत सब मत कर। मैं जहाँ रहता हूँ, जहाँ काम करता हूँ, और जो काम करता हूँ, उसको धोना चाहिए। वो अच्छा होगा तब मैं जो काम कर रहा हूँ, मैं जो मंत्र बोल रहा हूँ, तब वो मंत्र ठीक से होगा। I am not a person, I am not an individual who will only aspire for myself. I have to be leader. And I have to be leader doesn't push. Leader doesn't push somebody, please do this, please do this. Leader leader pulls. Leader pulls by his own deeds, his own examples. Leader leads by example. As I say, army is not a profession, it is a way of life. In army, it is only the army. That when we lead by example. I'm not saying it is only in the army, that is what I just wanted to convey, that you should be leading by example in any profession that you have, in any area you have. Whether you are in any profession, whether you are studying, you are doing anything. Army is meant for the battlefield, nothing else. No peace. Whatever we been trained for the battle, keeping battle in the mind. And when keeping battle in the mind, if as a company commander, I am commanding 130 chaps. As a platoon commander, I am commanding 30 odd people. As a platoon commander, I am commanding 850 chaps. And believe me, friends, my one single voice, my one single goal, and the last man is ready to look in. That is what we should inculcate. If I am staying in the midst of the battle, if I am commanding a troop, and in the midst of the battle I am saying, just go ahead, knowing very well that bullet is coming. He will move. The sense of responsibility, the kind of leadership I am just telling about. It is not a question of earning something, achieving a target, or inventing something. It is not the leadership of that kind. It is a leadership wherein a question of life and death is there. My one wisdom makes life, makes death. And it is not only an individual. That boy has got a family also, which is dependent. That is what we sense of responsibility in army we do have. When we talk about army will belong just to our uniformity. But then, that is not an exception. We all, when we go through our school days, college days, or any kind of institution, school of instructions, we are going through kind of training. We wear uniform. Why? We wear uniform. Because even a school boy or girl is a soldier. You have that kind of feeling. It is not we people who wear police red. We call ourselves soldiers. If we officers, but then there are certain factors which we have as a community, which we have to inculcate, we have to nurture, and we have to prove that the specific thing is not which we aspire. We aspire to be a good human being. Inculcate integrity, honesty. When we go to any school of instructions, we hold those qualities also. Camaraderie, the courage, the mental courage and the physical courage. The sense of responsibility, the sense of belonging, how much you connect yourself to other people, how much you connect yourself to the society. Whether you only want to take or could start at any. Again I am saying, school of instructions may, whosoever is your instructor, he knows better than you what you are. A person like me, when I joined a family, I am just giving you an example how the instructors, the teachers, the directing staff, who are putting all the efforts to hold you, to bring the best out of you, how they are doing it. Please listen and react in that. And I started running. I was a very good sportsman, but then I was not a good runner. When I started running, my thought from a good class, and he says, "Stop, 800." There's a BPT, Battle Proficiency Test, wherein you wear your battle outfits, you take 40 kgs of petrol, your weapon, and you have to run 5 kilometers in a stupid time. That is 25 minutes. And then we used to say, "Ustad, हम भागेंगे पूरा." हम भागते रहेंगे, पूरा दिन भागेंगे. And he used to tell us, "Ustad, पूरा दिन भागने की जरूरत नहीं है." It is not a question of running the whole day. It is a question of running within that time period. Because it is not a matter of running. आप कहीं ऐसे बैठ के भाग नहीं रहे. You are running in the midst of darkness. In spite of us telling the Ustad that, "Sorry, Ustad, नहीं पाए, भाग नहीं पाओ." That Ustad knows that. Come what way? It brings us to that level. And mind you, that great fellow has orders to that level where 25 minutes is day given. We cover those distance with all that equipment in 90 minutes. He is the best judge. He is the best judge. He is the instructor. He is the directing staff who is bringing us to that level. Number two, आपको छोटे समय अगर मैं ऐसे करके बोलता हूँ कि मैं बड़े बड़ा काम चाहता हूँ, those factors are integrity, loyalty, honesty. If you are honest, you are honest. Honest is not far honest. that मैंने तो एक बार ले लिया, एक ही बार लिया, मैंने तो करोड़ रुपए नहीं लिया, है ना? That honesty doesn't have that grade. Either it is 1, or it is 0,
or 1,
or 10. We in army everything we judge in the scale of 0 to 10. Either it is 0 or 10. Integrity, it is 0 or 10. Loyalty, it is 0 or 10. Half loyalty, half honesty, half integrity is not there. There is a conviction. When we saw it, stay courage. And we not be physically very strong. You know? And then you have that courage of conviction to stay when you are wrong. So then in every whether you are studying right now or after you have studied your engineering, you will place with some multinational or government agencies where you are contributing towards the nation building. Do you have that courage? Do you have that leadership quality? Do you have that sense of responsibility towards the nation, towards the community to say, why is this wrong? Please inculcate that. When I say inculcate this, when I say own this, I'm not saying that we should be disrespectful to anyone. Love everybody. But when I say love everybody, that doesn't mean you have to be meek or weak. Be strong. Be strong. आप सभी लोग अलग अलग स्कूलों में होंगे, कोई केवी के भी होगा और सीबीएसई बोर्ड के भी होंगे. There is one school, Rajamnai schooling in KV, and 10 students, 10 students बात है. शबाना आदमी को जानते हैं?
Yes sir.
शबाना आदमी के फादर को जानते हैं?
No sir.
हाँ? कैफी आदमी, बिल्कुल. शबाना आदमी के फादर कैफी आदमी. उन्होंने कोई कविता लिखी 1971 वॉर के दौरान. 1971 we fought with Pakistan, and then he wrote a poem जो मुझे कंठस्थ किया. work better. तो कविता बड़ी है, लेकिन थोड़ी सी कविता सुनाना चाहूंगा, because I want you to be on that same grid. I want that you people should inculcate not only the academic thing, but a thing where you walk head high, look into the eyes, and chest out. Where in coming days, you people change the way you want the nation, the community. You people do not have that kind of living attitude. You say क्या क्या करें, ऐसा हो गया, कोई सरकार नहीं बन रही है ये नहीं. I want you to people to contribute. And वो कैसे होगा? जब हम इतने स्ट्रॉन्ग होंगे. कैसे आदमी होते हैं? ये पड़ोसी जो मोहब्बत का जन्म भूल रहे हैं, बेटे भी हैं, अहबाब भी हैं. ये पड़ोसी मतलब पाकिस्तान. ये पड़ोसी जो भूल गए हैं मोहब्बत का जन्म. इनमें भाई भी हैं, बेटे भी हैं, अहबाब भी हैं. Because we were separated, we had all kind of relatives. दोस्त भी थे हमारे, भाई भी थे, रिश्तेदार भी थे, अहबाब भी थे. जानते हैं सभी को हथियार नहीं, मगर हमसे लड़ने को तैयार भी हैं और बेताब भी हैं. जिन्होंने मेरी बात रिकॉर्ड नॉट एवरीथिंग, बट स्टिल दे वांट टू फाइट अस. हमने कहा कि लड़ाई न हो, जंग न चले, मगर समझ बैठे कि कमजोर हैं, मखलूज हैं. हमने कहा कि साथ रहे, दिलोदारी करें, मगर वो समझ बैठे कि कोई सियासत है. They thought that we are playing politics. Then he said, कितनी तारीफ समझ, तारीफ है नैरो माइंडेड. कितनी तारीफ समझ, कितना गिरा ख्वाब कि कोई समझाना चाहे तो समझाए न बने. और असलहे से उठाई हम करते हैं कि कोई पूछे कि क्या है तो बताए न बने. असलहे असलहे से उठाई हम करते हैं कि कोई पूछे ये क्या है तो बताए न बने. हम यही से कहते हैं, उसके अपने बारे में बोलते हैं हम अहिंसा के पुजारी सही, दीवाने सही. As a nation, we believe in अहिंसा. We don't want to fight. हम अहिंसा के पुजारी सही, दीवाने सही. जंग होती है फकत जंगे ऐलान के बाद. Once the war is forced to us, जंग होती है फकत जंगे ऐलान के बाद. अब तो जंग हो ही गई. नो प्रॉब्लम, जंग लड़ेंगे. जंग होती है फकत जंगे ऐलान के बाद. अब हाथ भी उनसे मिले, दिल भी उनसे मिले और नजरें भी उनसे मिले. अभी अरमान है पत्थर के अरमान के बाद, पत्थर के अरमान. I will certainly not leave Pakistan or for that matter any adversary in whom I am fighting the battle, whether it is a physical way or mental way or on the questions of principle. I do not want to separate them. वैसे नीचा नहीं दिखाना चाहता. लेकिन अगर if it is a question of principle, it is a question of my existence, I will certainly fight. I will certainly fight. I will not fight in a way that उसके बाद मैं उसको देख भी ना सकूं, उसके बाद उससे मिल भी ना सकूं. I have that kind of thing. Who has got a right to make peace, truth? कहते हैं truth हो गया. किसके पास है शक्ति हो?
The one.
कमजोर के पास?
No, the one who is stronger.
One who is stronger. Now, one who is stronger is always who believes in truth, who believes in principles, who believes in the right things. He is always a strong person. Strong is not physically strong. So I want you people to rise yourself up to that level. Don't confine your knowledge. Don't confine your efforts to academics. Yes. If you are here for present purpose, take down. Give everything you have. With suddenly open your eyes. तुम्ही तो हो because in future हम लोग ये बोलते हैं कि एक जना का भाग होने का एक ही जना भाग होता है, एक ही जना सब कुछ करता है। आज साढ़े नौ I'll do everything. एक और अहम दूसरे ना आते एक मैं ही जो कुछ करूँगा तो मैं करूँगा सब करेंगे। Everybody will be connected to us. Full stop. I will stop. मैं शुरू करूँ। ऐसे ही जिसने सुबह सुबह का कंसेप्ट शुरू किया था एक ही आदमी था मिस्टर धनंजय अभ्यन एक ही आदमी था तो he started. Now see the difference. See the difference. I just want to tell you this. I want you to be successful in your life, but not confining to your